Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's top 10 current affair and one number is, what are the motto of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan campaign as mentioned by the defense minister recently? Answer is Make in India and Make for the World. The motto of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan is Make in India and Make for the World. Defense minister mentioned, adding that the campaign envisages the defense growth and focuses on manufacturing cost-effective qualities product for India and for the world. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh mentioned several procedural reforms undertaken by the government have transformed the defense industry to meet domestic as well as the global demand. Number 2. Ukhana Khurelsukh, the former Prime Minister of Mongolia, has been elected as the President of Mongolia. Number 6. Former Mongolia Prime Minister Ukhana Khurelsukh became the country's 6th democratically elected president, further consolidating the power of ruling Mongolia People Party with a landslide victory. Number 3. Coguel Kokala Maiga has been elected as the president of Mali, who had meet Mali's president named the transitional president of Mali. Answer is Assimi Goita. Malian National President Assimi Goita meets with Coguel Kokala Maiga after Goita's swearing-in ceremony in Bamako, Mali. The President of Strategy Committee of the Movement of June 5 Rally of Patriotic Forces, Coguel Kokala Maiga, was appointed Mali's transitional Prime Minister by Malian Transitional President Assimi Goita, the Malian Presidency. Number 4. Punjab became the first state to introduce electronic identity card for their officer employees. These EID cards work with which technology? Answer is NFC. Electronic identity card have been introduced in numerous countries. Punjab government has also initiated the uses of EID card equipped with near-field communication technology for their officers or employees through one of its prominent entities, Punjab Mandi Board. Number 5. Krikuru, an experiential learning app, has been launched by which star cricketer? Answer is Virendra Sehwag. India's star cricketer and opener Virendra Sehwag has launched Krikuru, an experiential learning app. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices. It can be accessed at www.krikuru.com. Krikuru is designed to help youngsters learning playing cricket through master classes of 30 hand-picked player coaches for across the globe like A.B. de Villiers, Brit Lee, Brian Lara, Chris Gayle, Bravo, Harbhajan Singh, John T. Rhodes. Number 6. Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary become the 7th national park in which state? Answer is Assam. Assam got its 7th national park too within a week, a notification declaring Dehing Patkai as so on Wednesday. State Environment and Forest Minister Parimal Suklavaidya said. Number 7. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi appointed as part-time chairman of which bank? Answer is ICICI Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has approved the reappointment of Girish chairman of ICICI Bank for a period of 3 years, starting from June 1, 2021. Number 8. Which Bollywood actor top of the list the Times 50 Most Desirable Man 2020? Here there was a writing mistake of women. It was been cutted and written as man. Sorry for the mistake. So the answer is late Sushant Singh Rajput. Which state government launched the Udan scheme to provide free sanitary pad to women? Answer is Punjab. In order to install confidence and empower girl or women by promoting safe menstrual health hygiene, Deputy Commissioner Varindra Kumar Sharma on Friday launched the state government's ambitious Udan scheme in the district under sanitary pads would be distributed free of cost to needy women girls every month. Number 10. Today's last question. Which state ranked first in Anemia Free India Index 2020 to 21? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and share as more you can. Thank you so much.